This cat really wanted a friend, so his owner had a wild idea. He'd make one himself. First, he showed all the cats a video of a fake dog just to see their reactions. Then he got to work, gluing tiny beige flower pieces onto a cat-shaped base. After finishing the body, he gave a little playful scare and glued on the eyes. He even added a bit of the cat's own fur, creating an almost perfect copy. The cat wasn't happy at first, but a little gentle petting calmed him down. Then, something amazing happened. The other cats couldn't stop licking it, mesmerized by their new friend. Subscribe for more.